This is the SYMBYX PDCare laser, a medical device intended to be used as a complementary therapy for Parkinson's symptoms. This light therapy treatment is non-invasive, painless, and can be used from the comfort of your home. The PDCare laser emits near-infrared light at 904 nanometers. Based on clinical trial data, it was found that some participants who followed the treatment protocol consistently observed improvements in Parkinson's symptoms after 12 weeks of continuous use. These initial observations included improvements in balance, walking, movement skills and control, as well as cognition, hand-eye coordination, and sense of smell. The remaining participants who continued to use light therapy over 5 years consistently maintained the majority of those benefits. Use the PDCare 3 times a week on alternating days, for example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each treatment session only takes 20 minutes, so it can fit seamlessly into your routine. You're going to be treating 9 spots on the abdomen and 1 spot on the back of the neck, for 2 minutes on each spot. For the first week, start with 1 minute per spot to allow your body time to ease into the treatment. When treating the abdomen, make sure you're applying the laser between the rib cage and the pelvic bone, using your belly button as the center reference point. This is detailed in the protocol sheet provided with your device, so you can refer to it whenever you need to. To start, make sure you are seated comfortably. Press the black button at the top to turn the PDCare on. You will see the green light inside the button turn on. The device will beep and the band will flash green, indicating it is now in standby mode. Press the device firmly against the skin to start treatment. The green band will remain lit when in contact with your skin. This green band lets you know that the device is actively emitting therapeutic infrared light which cannot be seen with the naked eye. The device will beep after every minute of treatment. When you finish, it's important to switch off the PDCare to avoid draining the battery. To do so, press down on the same black button as earlier and the green light inside the button will turn off. Store it in the pouch provided so it's ready for your next treatment. Looking after your SYMBYX device is simple, and each device is high quality and made to last if cared for properly. Here's everything you need to know. After each use, wipe the device down with a soft dry cloth and place it back inside the case. Store your device somewhere dry and cool like a bedside drawer. Avoid storing it in rooms with high humidity, such as your bathroom. That's all it takes to keep your light therapy device in good shape. No complicated steps or special products. As part of the SYMBYX community, you receive access to ongoing clinical support along with your device. The SYMBYX Clinical Support Team are a network of healthcare professionals who know SYMBYX light therapy inside and out. The PDCare is easy to use and designed as complementary therapy to help you manage your symptoms at home on your own terms. Be sure to read the safety and contraindications page on our website, the protocol sheet and instruction manual. Always follow the directions of use. If you have any questions, our SYMBYX customer care team is here to help. To speak to a member of our SYMBYX team, inquire via info@symbyxbiome.com. Not only do they answer your questions, but can provide personalized recommendations to help optimize your light therapy experience.